Add yolks to boiling water and you will be surprised by the result. In a large skillet over medium to low heat filled with boiling water, add 8 egg yolks and let them cook for 5 minutes. After the time is passed, remove from heat. Transfer to a medium bowl and add 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, mix to combine, and set aside. Next, in a skillet over medium to low heat, add 300 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. When that happens, add 80 grams of unsalted butter and stir until completely melted. Once you've done that, add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now, add 400 grams of wheat flour and continue stirring until it becomes a smooth and uniform dough. Remove from heat and set aside to cool. After that, divide the dough into 6 equal parts and shape each one into a ball. Then, roll out these dough balls until they're not too thick nor too thin, just like I'm doing. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. After doing that, transfer to a large skillet over medium to low heat and toast until golden brown. This is the right point. Now, in a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix everything very well until fully combined. This is the right mix. Finally, to assemble the recipe, on the toasted flatbreads add 1 teaspoon of the sauce we prepared. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. 1 tablespoon of the egg yolk mixture, 2 slices of ham, 1 slice of tomato, lettuce to taste, and close it. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.